Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Drive API for authenticated document UI. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin with, create a Google Cloud Platform project. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Click on the Select a Project drop-down. Choose New Project to create a new project. Give your project a name and click Create. Once your project is created, go to the API and Services tab. Click on Library to access the API library. In the search bar, type Google Drive API. Select the Google Drive API from the list. Click on the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Now, navigate to the Credentials tab on the left side. Click on the Create Credentials button. Choose OAuth Client ID from the drop-down menu. If prompted, configure the consent screen by filling in the required fields. Set an application type as Web Application. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, add the URI where you will handle OAuth responses. Click Create to generate your credentials. You will receive a client ID and client secret. Make sure to save these securely. Next, install the Google Client Library for your programming language. For example, if you are using Python, run the command pip install upgrade Google API Python client Google Auth hitplib to Google Auth. In your code, import the necessary libraries. Set up an authorization flow using your client ID and client secret. Create a flow object with the relevant scopes for Google Drive access. Use the flow object to get a URL for user authorization. Direct the user to this URL for authentication. After the user authorizes the app, they'll be redirected to your specified URI. Capture the authorization code from the URL. Use the code to exchange it for an access token. Store the access token securely for future API requests. With the access token in hand, you can now make authenticated requests to the Google Drive API. Utilize API methods to access or manipulate files in the user's drive. Be sure to handle token expiration and refresh tokens as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.